The next concept is exactly the same. It is your suspension trainer. You might have a TRX, you might have a Jungle Gym XT, which this is here, Lifeline Jungle Gym XT, or you may have another brand. The key is that all of them are conceptually similar, okay? So what that means is, you see how this anchor is here at the bottom, this red part? Yours may have a thicker part that is thicker than your entire strap, and that is going to be your anchor. All you have to do is this. Top of your door, you're simply going to put this at the very top and then shut the door. Whatever your anchor point is, that thicker part that I was talking about. Putting this at the top of my door, make sure that your anchor point is at the very top and inside of your door, whatever that point looks like. Again, it's going to be a thicker point than the rest of your suspension trainer. See, this is the thin part, then it gets thicker, 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 and then at the very top, it's going to be the thickest. Something like that, that is going to be your anchor point. Then all you got to do is simply shut your door. Okay, making sure again that the door that you're using is one that opens away from you. Okay, so this door is the proper door. You can tell again because of the structure that's in front of it, meaning that the door cannot open this way, but it opens this way. Okay, that's going to be the safe door to use, or you can use a door that opens towards you. However, you just have to make sure that you have a lock, just as I've explained in my resistance band tutorial for the anchor. Okay, so all you got to do is you have to do that for both of your suspension trainers and then get started. So it really is that simple. You just have to make sure that you have the anchor point inside the door, then you shut the door, and then you're ready to go.